Check out this stairway. This is neat, but anyway, in here we have an elevator and a men's room. Is it here? Here it is. I was like, is it broken or what? This one's smaller. Yeah, it's not terribly big. Go down to B. I think it's hydro. Wow. This thing is slow. It doesn't even feel like we're moving right now. Oh, it's traction. Just a freaking slow one. Wow. This thing's really taking its time. Take a look out here. Ooh. Bro. This is creepy. Anyway, up to 4. GAL door equipment. Oh my gosh. Bro, this thing is slow. This is like painfully slow. The freaking hydro in the building is faster than this. Jesus. Oh my God. All right, let's see if we'll make it up to 4. This is gonna be a long journey, but we'll make it. We have to go an entire 2 floors. I'm gonna fall asleep in this fucking thing. There we go. 10 years later, we make it up to the 4th floor. I think I'm gonna just end the video up here because I don't want to add another 8 minutes to the video by going down. Look at this door handle. What is this? Strange. Anyway, goes the slow elevator, and that's it.